Hi, I'm Courtney McQuade with Markets Group here at our ALTS Chicago event. With me is Reed Burns, Senior Research Analyst at Segal Marco Advisors. Reed, it's great to see you.
Great to see you too. Great to be here.
So you just came off a panel on private credit. What was the hot topic?
Yeah, it was really around how to due diligence managers, what to look for in selecting a fund for your clients. It seems like we're headed into a different interest rate environment moving forward, and so it'll be top of mind for allocators looking to, have the best due diligencing methods to get the best quality funds. The panelists seemed in full agreement that manager quality will play a great role in the returns that you see out of private credit.
Yeah, absolutely. I've heard actually other people talking about private credit has been growing so much. Are we about to hit the bubble?
Sure, yeah, we talked about that as well. You see two different types of articles in the news, one saying that private credit is a bubble, one saying that it's the golden age of private credit. And the opinion seemed to be that it was somewhere in the middle, that the yields offered by some of these leveraged loans is great, and the outcome probably not as disastrous as a bubble, but maybe not quite as maybe not as much upside as the golden age of private credit.
And what were the top two or three things that were discussed that should be at the top of the due diligence research list when doing your due diligence on private credit?
Yeah, it was really about looking at the track record with bad deals, looking at where you have failed, how you managed it, what you recovered. Some of the panelists were more focused on the lower to middle market, and so there was, lower loan to values placed, but the key was really all about that, the success in managing your bad deals.
That's really interesting. Now, you've been at the conference now for a day and a half. What do you think of the event so far?
It's been fantastic. This is my third year at the event, and the number of people showing up has just gotten bigger and bigger every single year. And it's good to see everyone staying topical. I loved the conversations on infrastructure, and so far, great conversation.
Great. Is there anything that was really mind-blowing that you've heard?
There was some comments on the Trump trade that shocked me that we were talking about it, because it seems a little bit like an overblown assumption in some investors' minds. But it was good to hear that panelists kind of agree with my thinking that it's going to be the Federal Reserve and the Treasury driving monetary policy moving forward, not, the change in presidency, perhaps.
Yeah, well, that'll be interesting to see.
Sure. Yeah.
Well, thanks so much for taking the time to speak with me, Reed. It's great to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
And we're live at ALTSCHI Chicago.